Hello everyone, need to log into your HFM account on MetaTrader 5. In this tutorial, we're talking about how to connect HFM trading accounts to MT5. So first, open the email from HFM you received after registering your account. You'll need your login number, server name and password. Next, launch the MetaTrader 5 app, either on desktop or mobile. Click File, Log into Trade Accounts. If you're on desktop, on mobile, tap Settings, New Account, Login to an existing account. Now search for the server, type HFM, then choose the correct server like HFM MT5 server or HFM SV demo depending on your account type. Enter your login number as the username and the password from your email. Make sure a safe password is checked and then click Login. Once connected, your account's balance should appear in the MT5 terminal app. And that's it, your HFM account is now live on MT5. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more trading tips and quick platform guides.